So hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D main menu. Well, basically a main menu, but 3D. Why not? Firstly, I'm going to remove the small location computer. Inside the players, like in players, there is a character auto loads. We do not want that. So, I think that's all the preparation we need to do. Okay, so let's make a new part. Actually, two new folders. And one is camera parts, and the other UI parts, like so. This one is going to be the UI part, which is the main menu. I wonder how big should it be. Let me actually plug in my character. Okay, my character is too small. Okay. Just use my friends. Okay. So that's too big. Way too big. Maybe something like this. So, yeah, so we make it transparent. And yeah. We go to server GUI. So why we want the screen GUI to be, wait, no, it's not screen, it's surface GUI. Why we want the surface GUI in server GUI is because if it's not, you cannot actually click on it. So in the local scripts won't run, so that kind of sucks. And so you get the other knee and click it on the main menu. Right now we'll be on this side, which for some reason is front. I don't know why, but we use left. We name this main menu. So let me get the title. Just going to do this actually. Maybe even like this. UI list layout and center this thing. If it doesn't spawn, yeah, sure. Do the sentence, I don't want it. So, text scaled. Actually, see if that makes a difference. Nope. Whatever. Okay. I'm going to use for Docker one, and the name of the game will be Stranded. Pretty sure there is already a game with that name. Not sure though, but pretty sure. So wait, this Stranded. Should I use this? It looks kind of weird now. We can disable the light influence, so it's okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay. We can do that. Like some glow effect, I like it. So what else? Now we get the buttons, I guess. Yeah, it's way too bright actually. Half and maybe like this. That's way too big. 15. For Docker one. Maybe we shouldn't use the same font for this button, but it's okay. I'm going to use text scaled with white padding. White padding. It's basically like the distance between the text and the edges. So we want to like add some, because text scaled literally makes it fill up the entire box and doesn't look that good. Okay, I'm not going to use that much brightness actually. Maybe like 5, 2. Oh, like it doesn't make a difference. That's insane. Okay. Can I actually like do this? I'm going to like add an attachment. Okay, maybe not. maybe not. Whatever. So the start, you can add some padding over here. Start button. Okay. Credits. Just going to name it start actually. Credits. So, and we can basically do like settings, I believe, but yeah, we don't need this. We don't need it right now. So I'm going to do this, you know. Okay, and we're going to place like your character, like the local player character over here, and it's just going to stand. That's the idea. Game plan, like so. Now, create a new part, like so, and we use the Roblox command, the command line, I don't know, and we just type out the path to it, like workspace.path. Keyframe is equal to workspace current camera keyframe. Bang. It's just going to parent it here, and that should be all we need. Now we make, like, we place it in camera parts, main menu, and anchor it. Maybe also anchor this one. Yep. Let me remove this. I'm going to actually, yeah, I'm going to remove it. Make a new part for it, like so, and just place where you want the character to be. I'll rotate it a little bit, so yeah, that's all. I'm going to actually add some atmosphere, like some density to it, because why not? Looks more mysterious that way. Okay, 0. Oh, that's way better. It's so much better now. So, can I actually make it? No. For some reason, I cannot change it, I think, actually. No, I guess not. So, we name this part, and I mean player part. So maybe we should place all of this in like a menu folder, like so, and just drag it in like this. So the grids, let's do the grids part real quick. So I'm going to try to make it in the same level. I'm going to scale down the grids part. I mean, it should be back, not grids. So back, I mean main menu, and it should be back over here. So that's it. Maybe do it like this. We make a new part. Okay. Okay, so let me just copy the Y position of this one. 8.1. Oh, close enough. So, okay. Credits. So I think it's finally time to get to scripting. I'm going to create a new local script in Sarah Player script because we don't need a character. So first we're going to get the players service. Players, then the replicate storage. Wait, yeah, replicate storage. We need to game get service, replicate storage. So let's make a new folder over here called remote, because why not? You don't need to create a new folder if you already have one. So just name it spawn player. It's useful to know that it's better if you don't have, like, you make it so, you know. Actually, it's better if you if this is another game from the base game, so like another place. We're going to show you how to do that too. So I guess we should reserve. I think that's how I call it, reserve. Okay, it's teleport service. I totally forgot about this. And actually that shouldn't be here, because that's, yeah, the local player. But yeah, we need to define the remote folder. Okay, search remote. What else? We need to define the camera. Local current main camera is equal to workspace current camera, and define local camera parts equal to workspace main menu. Actually, let's just name this menu local camera part is equal to menu camera parts local. Yeah, we don't actually need GUI parts, but we don't need to define it, and we need run service. There are easier ways to do it without run service, but I'm going to do something kind of cool, I guess you can say that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Connect function. So that's all. I'm going to create a new value. Actually, firstly, let's set the camera to the camera type of camera to be of scriptable type, so we can, you know, make changes to it, and also make a new value to it, and called looking. Actually, go to is equal to instance new string value. Go to the value is equal to main menu. That's how we call main menu. So we got to basically we're going to use these parts over here, like main menu credits and the button names, so we can, you know, navigate. Name equal to go to parent is equal to camera. So and camera frame is equal to go to, actually camera parts go to value frame, like so. And over here we basically do camera frame equal to camera frame lerp. Lerp is basically a linear interpretation. I think it says it here. Nope. Linear interpretation. So we have like point A and point B, and we so B is the goal and A is our position, and alpha is like the percentage cleared to that way. So if it's 0.1, it's 10%. If it's 0.2, 20%. 1 is 100. So yeah, that's all about lerp. It's really useful, and it's great to know it, because yeah. What else? Oh yeah, local go to position. Let's go to camera parts. Actually, we have this over here. Okay. Yeah, frame. So go to position. Plus equal vector 3 new. Matching. So basically what this would do is make our camera like bob a little from time to time, sideways, you know, so kind of like shaking, you know. So it's kind of nice to have. So we're going to use class here of tick times 5. If some random values, honestly, you can choose. We'll have different results. We're going to copy this 2 times with a comma between. Oh, I forgot the math. But on y is going to be sign like this. Oops. And we just got the position 0.1, like so. And that's all. That's I think all we need to do for this. So we get some errors. Errors. Yeah. Because we have to disable stream enabled in the workspace. I think it's here. Yep, streaming enabled. Basically what streaming enabled does is, like, if you're too far from something, it's not going to spawn it in, but it's a main menu. We need to spawn. So as you can see, We get spawned into the camera and we get some like bubbles. um I think that's way too close. Create a new folder over here called menu menus, actually menus. Okay. Actually, yeah, menu. So, and we come over here. Where's our we having to find local player? Okay. So local player, with the players, local player. And so now we need local player J1, local player J1, and local menu J1s. That's actually these applications. So we need to go to starter service. I'm going to actually define it over here. Starter J1. Starter Java. I meant starter Java, not starter service. And menu. So what I'm going to do is do a for loop. Actually, should I? No, I'm not going to do that. That's too much work for no reason. So credits is equal to menu Javas. Credits. I'm going to copy this and paste it. Main menu is menu Javas. Oh, actually, yeah, like this. And now over here at the very bottom, what I'm going to do is just actually clone these. We need to clone those. Boom. Credits parent is equal to player GUI. Main menu parent player GUI, like so. And that should be actually it. So let's script the buttons real quick. So buttons, local start. Let's start. So it's in main menu. Start. Local credits is equal to main menu. So main menu credits. Local main menu. I mean back actually. It's in credits. Main menu. Wait, what? What did I name it? Oh, main menu. Huh? Oh, yeah. Credits button. Let's just define this real quick. Button. Credits main menu. So, local function register button real quick. This is going to be button text type text button. So button mouse button click function like so, and we're just going to set the go to value to the button name, and that's it. So register button, credits button, register button, button, and now it should be working. Bang. Oh. Oh. Wait, did I anchor this? No. Whoops. Credits. There you go. And this works between the two. I don't like how the back turned out, honestly. Way too close. And I'm going to make it like this. So bang. And I'm going to make those transparent. Transparency 1. Player part going to be transparent. So now I'm going to actually do this here. So player model. So local player model is equal to play local player. Actually players, yeah, players. And create humanoid model from user ID. Local player user ID, like so. Player model, the parent is equal to menu that player part. Player model scale to 2.5 and player model pivot 2. Just place this here. Menu player part reframe. And that should be it. Yup. And I mean, I can see the character. Like this, can collide off. I didn't anchor it. Nope. So, like this. Okay. I guess it kind of works. Like this. Oh. Like, I should be looking at the camera. So, I guess that works. So, bang bang. So now for the start, I'm going to create a new script in server script storage. So start game. I'm going to copy this and teleport service. In get service, teleport service. So local remote, replicate storage, remote. So remote, spawn player, on server event, connect, function, player. But we don't need to do that. So just teleport. Yeah, teleport. Place ID is this, and player. That's I think all we need to do. The place ID I placed should be your game. So you can place like models over here. Yeah, you can actually remove this too, but oh, I never made it fire. So start button, mouse button, click connection function, remotes, spawn player, fire server, and that should be it. I'm going to place this over here though, and this over here. So yeah, that's it, I think. Okay. Start. Yeah, but you cannot teleport in studio, but it basically should work fine. What I'm going to do is actually not that much. Like, that's way too low. I think that might be too much though. Oh, that's fine. So as you can see, it works pretty fine. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please leave a like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one. See you.